staying up all in the west side, turning on my days into nights. I was waiting up all in the west side, waiting for your call, but you had someone else in mind. All I had was love for you, love for you, yeah, yeah. All I had was love for you, love for you, yeah, yeah. Was I just enough to get you through? Breaking my heart, I was a fool for you. All I had was love for you, love for you, yeah, yeah.
Net, what's going on? I can't sleep. I need to mute my screen. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to be up for a little while. And I've been procrastinating getting some of this stuff done. So, why is that not working now? Yep, because this is where I wanted to be. Alright, so I am going to do tonight, first of all, turn down the music on my end a little bit. And on your end. So I've got my Forza light bar, and it has been held up with duct tape, essentially, since I put it up. So we're going to make some brackets for it. They're going to fit on the bookshelf up here to hang it properly, and also provide a little bit of room for the microcontroller and power brick and all that stuff. Well, the power brick's going to be out of it, but whatever. We'll get to it. It's going to be a chill stream, for sure. This is Fusion 360, by the way, and oh my god, is it slow. Why for that is... I wonder if that's because I'm capturing it. Well, that's no bueno. Hold on a second. Let's restart it and see if it gets any better. Oh, and in between doing this, we might do some coding. Gotten a lot done today on a lot of stuff that I just needed to clean up. I still got a lot to do. Maybe we can push through it. We'll see. What was I doing this in? Tools. Streaming. This will do for now. Oh my god. Well, that's no good. Does this suddenly magically get super fast again? No, it's awful. It's frightening, actually. Why is the frame rate of this so terrible? I mean, I obviously can't, let's get rid of that. I'm obviously not going to be able to stream this or even work in this, but this is slow. What is going on? Yeah, the frame rate is just abysmal in Fusion. Well, maybe we're not doing that tonight. What do I have open that I can nix? It wouldn't be the Monster Cat player, would it? Hard to tell. Oh my god, it's something. Well, the next thing that I would check is closing OBS. What do I have open? This, maybe that's it. Nope. Just give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Like, you can see that orientation cube up there is barely moving. Usually this is running at a nice solid 60 hertz. Yeah. That's not gonna work. What else can I close? The only other thing that I can think of doing this is OBS itself, and that would be a problem. Let's close that. Let's close that. Is that it? Nope. Let's close Discord. Is that it? Nope. Well, crumbs. Don't capture that. Nope. I don't know what this could be. Sorry for everybody who just joined, or every you that just joined. Where are the stats? No. I mean, I've got plenty of CPU, plenty of GPU. Like, plenty. I mean, yeah, that should be fine. Well, this might end up being the shortest stream ever. Because I can't work like this. What the hell? We've done this before and it's worked just fine. Alright, so let's try this. Instead of... let me put this back on studio so that I can mess with stuff while you guys are sitting there. That. So we turn that off. Oh wait, now I want display. Oh, this is gonna edit this live, so it goes. That's fine. What if I do window capture instead? Yoink. Okay. Get rid of this. Oh, it's trying. Oh, it's still god awful. Oh, even the broadcast gets bad. Am I just... Maybe I'm just grabbing too much. That seems unfortunate. All right, well, I guess we're not doing this tonight. Fine. Get it. Monster Cat. Let's go back. Let's have something going on. Okay. Back out of this. That's my... Whoops. Yeah, desktop actually doesn't usually look like this. I have this up green screen, so it's taking out everything that's green. Let's do that. All right, well, I guess we're just coding tonight. Kind of a bummer. Wanted to get that other stuff done. Well, all right, so where was I with this stuff? This is my streaming software. And I was going to check whether or not, what was I going to do? The text-to-speech. I was going to see if that just kind of worked. Disable redemptions. Actually, I won't even worry about it right now. Okay. So what was I doing? Let's build a new behavior just to test this. Actually, we don't even have to do that. Where is... So this is basically what I'm trying to fix. I've been doing tons and tons of proof of concept. And it's essentially I've got all of my functionality in a single file in my stream, which is ridiculous. And I've got neighbors that are leaving. Okay, let's come back down here and do this. All right, so now we can trigger this from the UI as soon as I add another button. Not credentials. Let's make this come up first because I keep on having to click to it. There it is. And back to this. Where did I put that function? Up here. Oh, also, I can totally not hear Monster Cat. Oh. Neither can you guys. Let's turn this up a little. You guys can hear it. Why can I not hear it? Oh, because I turned it way the hell down. Okay. All right. We're good. My text streams are apparently not my bag yet. What are we going to do? Oh, we got to create one of these things first. So what do we have? Go. So I'm going to change this to audio or sound player. No, I don't even have an initialize in there. Okay, and that's actually all that I need. So let's simplify that. Okay. All right, so now that I've got one of these. Hello, Dice. How are you? How are things going? We're having a very chill Insomniac stream tonight. What do we want to do in here? We want to test speaking first. I'm fairly certain that this blocks, but I guess we'll see. Or no, it doesn't. It doesn't. Hello, Dice. Welcome to the stream. Let's see how we do. Oh man, I need to disable some of this other stuff. Doing well. My buffalo wings just got delivered and I'm moderately buzzed. Spent the day watching the greatest 15 title matches of the last 15 years of WrestleMania history. That sounds fun. Yeah, what did I do today? A lot of coding. A lot of, yeah, just a lot of coding. Recovering from last night, I guess. I assume you heard that. I think it peaked. Hold on, let's see. Sweet. Okay, well, that works. Let me make sure that my Wait a minute, why did that not close? Oh, it did eventually. Okay. Need to make sure that my asynchronous thing actually works too, because I implemented that a little bit ago. I really need to add some stuff to make this come back up where it's supposed to. In fact, let's do that in a second. Okay, and step. And yes. Okay, text to speech is done. That works. I went from watching Silicon Valley to this stream. Realistically, what I'm watching hasn't changed. Yeah. I'd like to think that I'm a little bit more sane than Silicon Valley, but it's probably a tall ask at this point. What was I going to do? I was going to make it so that I could not have to move this over to the other monitor freaking constantly. Although, now that I've said that, when I actually want to stream, I want this opening up on the other monitor. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. For now, it's just too annoying. So we need to add, what, settings, right? Have I done that yet? I don't think so. Do we have settings? Yeah. Or is that already in here? Why is it saying settings 1? That's ridiculous. They changed some of this in Visual Studio 2022 or whatever this is. Oh, settings are down here. Okay, it just added it the way that it used to. Fine. Such an odd thing to reconcile in my mind, especially now that the virus has happened. It used to be the goal of so many developers in tech to get to Silicon Valley, but even with the highest paying job out there, senior developer or CEO, I could never justify the rent home ownership price. That's why I've never wanted to go to California, like, ever. I live in Texas, where we don't have state income tax, and I mean, we do have guns, but I don't know. California is just so freaking expensive for everything. So much so that a lot of people from California are coming here to buy houses because it's so cheap. So I'm going to do... I can do that. We want this to be left, because we're doing this quick and dirty for now. The top. Also double, also not a number, which we'll do the default, by default, I think. Hi, Joe Rogan. Hope he won't stir up any trouble out there in the great state of Texas. Is he moving here? Or has he? I don't know. I haven't kept up with any of that. Alright, so we went left is binding to... Nope. Window left, I think. We have settings. God, I hate that I have to do this. So now I gotta find my assembly and everything. Texas is... Oh, hey, Hotel Towel. Welcome in. Texas is sounding a lot like New Hampshire. And he's been involved in the whole brouhaha with people boycotting Spotify. I think he's moved out there a little over a year ago. Well, I heard about him, about people boycotting Spotify. I don't know. I try to stay out of that stuff because I can't. I gotta have some amount of sanity. It's bad for my mental health. I have to find the namespace that this thing is in. Here, we'll do that. And this is... yeah, just properties. Wait, was that the namespace? Yes. It's about drawing a line in the sand. Also, dude. Yes, not the preferred nomenclature. Okay, there we go. So now we want to do left binding. Source is going to be local props. Nope, that's static. Props, settings, dot default. That's what it is. We're going to do this again for the top. The software is really going to tie the stream together. Well, the software's been running it for months now. I've been slowly adding to it, but the problem is that because I keep on just doing stuff half-assed to see if I can, or to see how low or how difficult it will be to do, I've got a whole bunch of code debt of just crap sitting around that I really need to take care of. Okay, what do you not like? That will exist as soon as I build. Yeah, I even had stuff set up to... here. We were going to do some arts and crafts. That's my printer right behind me that we were going to print some stuff out, but I'm going to have to figure out why Fusion 360 is running like shit. That didn't seem good. Is everyone drinking? I've got Bud Light Lemonade Seltzer to try to lose all of the COVID weight I put on. Got Diet Coke. I'm actually not drinking tonight, which is a weird thing. And it's warm. Damn it. I'll get another one in a second. It's almost done. Okay. So let's see. Did we... oh, we didn't do size. Should probably do that too. Oh, and I need to put in a thing to save this. Close? Nope. Okay. Uninitialize. I'm sure I have a closing. Oh, no, maybe not. Okay. You have to save those on close. So let's try this again. As long as you don't mix that Diet Coke with vodka. I have done that. Not recently. I've actually got some LaCroix, so if we have victory, what do you call it? Cocktail later. I'll grab that. I'm gonna have to figure out why that takes so damn long to stop. Oh, I bet it's because of all of the initialization stuff that I'm doing. When I start up, I go out to Twitch. Well, that didn't work for shit. We're hitting this, right? Oh, I bet I have to explicitly make this two-way binding. Yeah. LaCroix isn't so bad. I don't understand the hate. It's a perfectly fine replacement for soda. It's water with carbon dioxide in it, and it's flavored, sort of. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. Jeez. How's the music? Is it too loud? Or is it a reasonable volume? Even if you don't know what the actual fucking pamplemousse is, it's a grapefruit. Okay, good. Okay, are you not a number anymore? No, you're not. Oh, it's because I didn't call them that. It's hard to code and stream at the same time. So default we want 646 by 401. Oh, something. Let's do 1280 by 960. Seems good. Oh, I can make these not a number 2 for defaults. Oh, that made that big by default. Okay. Do you have values this time? You do. I wonder what's taking so long to finish up. Oh. Exited with access violation. Oh, that doesn't seem good. We started where we needed to, though. That's good. Crap. I hate it when I do that by accident. Okay, let's see. And ranch for buffalo, blue cheese for anything spicier. Oh. I was watching The Kitchen on Food Network today, and they said they raised an interesting question. When going for hot wings, do you go ranch or blue cheese? I go ranch. Blue cheese, I'm sure, is delicious, but it creeps me out why it's got blue in it. So, which is totally irrational. Here, I'm going to try to figure out why we're not closing immediately. So we kill that, and we kill that, and we close this, and then... Oh, but now it just works. Okay, that took a minute. Huh. Can't do ranch. Ranch is so good. When we do inevitably meet IRL, I'll introduce you to the wonders of Limburger cheese spread on a wheat bun. Okay. Is it also moldy? I mean, I guess I'll try it. I'm an adult, so I'm told. So this is really weird why this is happening. Maybe my system is just kind of effed. I have had Visual Studio open for a while, and we've had some weird debugging things. Let me kill this. I'll just open it up again. And until I figure out why I can't run Fusion 360, that's going to bug the crap out of me. Let's see, we can get rid of testing OBS. Start cutting some of the stuff out, I guess. Hello? Hello, editor. Limburger is more advanced blue cheese. It's further along. So moldier cheese. Aged more, but to each their own. I generally like cheese, too. Now my keyboard isn't working properly. What the fuck? Am I getting hacked as we're sitting here? I wonder. Hey. This never happens when I'm just sitting by myself. Okay. We seem to be working now. Weird. You nuts like me, when I find a keyboard I really enjoy, I buy one for use and one to keep in backup. I'm absolutely murder on mechanical keyboards. I have gone through quite a few of them. I'm more about... I've repaired this mouse probably 5 or 6 times now, replacing buttons and putting on new skids. Because I love it, and it's not in production anymore. It's unfortunate. And I'm too lazy to see if I can find another one that I like. Especially now. Like, I don't really want to go to the store just to see if I can find a mouse that I don't hate. My machine is acting weird. Why are you not closing right away? What the hell are you doing? I can see it, Hey, Mr. Hardluck. How's it going? I mean, as we're sitting here running, I can see it ticking down on memory usage, so it's in some kind of cleanup, but... Let me just give it a sec. What could that be? We're not playing... I mean, we might still be going out to Twitch, and maybe that's taking a little bit, but... So how the fuck did I win that round? I don't know. Because you're funny. And then we end with access violation. Could that be the speech synthesizer that we just started, maybe? What if we kill both of these? Still on get tokens 1, yep. No, that's not it. This is really strange. Well, what happens if we just bail? We're gonna find this. This isn't exactly how I wanted this to go, but I didn't really have a plan for this either. Well, I did. It was thwarted when I couldn't run Fusion. Okay. Well, let me get rid of this because I'm tired of seeing it. You guys don't see it, it's on the other window, but there's some place that I'd rather be. Remember that time in software development something didn't go the way you wanted it to? That was wacky. Yeah, I try to make that not happen anymore. Oh, this might be the LifeX bullshit. I don't know. We're gonna find out. What is it that I'm initializing that is making this happen? Something in between these two things. Put something in here. Is it OBS? Because if it is, that's not great. I don't know how to fix that. Actually, I don't know how to fix any of these. Oh, it isn't. Surely it's not the Helix API. That's Twitch's API, by the way. It is. What the fuck? Hmm. Yeah, I figured that wouldn't work. That's surprising. So something's going out and asking Twitch for something that's taking forever. Took a class once that started with Visual Basic and I made it its way to like C++, but I dropped the class after like 4 weeks. I've been doing this since I was 8 and I love it. I have had, oh, that didn't work either. I've had a bunch of my friends wanting to learn how to code, and I mean, really, it's sitting around doing logic and math all day. Well, and then this shit, which I don't love, but my major was up in the air at the time, and I ended up not needing it. It's fair. Yeah, it's definitely not for everyone. Okay, I'm starting to think. So I did this in a different order, and then... Yo, okay. Well, now I'm getting inconsistent results. Huh. Could it just be the token validation? Well, no, because once I've got that, then done, right? How long does it take for this thing to go? Do I have anything else local here? The device enumerator. During my very short stint as a developer, I went to my buddy who works in web design and I asked him what the bulk of his job was, and he said meetings and Googling how to make what I want to happen. Turns out he wasn't that far off. I agree with that for web design. I've never been interested in doing web programming, honestly. I did that a little bit when I was about 16, but at that point the web was a year old, so it was way different. I was just writing HTML stuff and a backend in Perl, but nowadays I'm sometimes Googling how to do stuff, but the whole point of me building this framework in the first place is so that I could just have it do my bidding and make things easy to implement. Very weird. I much preferred working with CSS over HTML. I think that that's what they do now, although I'm not entirely certain because I I have not dabbled in either for years and years and years. What was it? The mixer? Is the mixer disposable? Nope, it is not. Alright, see you, Mr. Arlick. Thanks for stopping by. We'll do something more interesting next time. I just happen to be doing this, and I thought it'd be fun to pop in for a little while. See, now that stopped instantly. It's so strange. Alright, well, it's something just lingering. I'll have to find that out, or figure that out some other time. Alright, so what have we done? We've got... I don't think I need this WLED stuff anymore, because I already know that... Oh, this is the web shit. I've already got the Forza light bar thing working, so I don't think I need this reference code anymore. And the Gobi lights suck, so we can get rid of those. Now we're just back to the old behaviors that I have to move over. That, I think, was to make sure that that was still working. Don't need the speech synthesizer anymore. The speech recognition just didn't... I mean, it barely works. Orange juice by itself, you're drinking straight mixer. Don't need any of that anymore. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. Don't need that. Oh. Why would I get... Okay. Don't need that anymore. I think I've tested chat quite a bit. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, looking for hate bots. Whoa. Just switch desktops, which I didn't know was a thing I could do. Interesting. Okay, and this is all the speech recognition stuff that I need to take out. Oh, I thought you were implying that you were opening a Forza bar, which is like a barcade. Be a place to grab a drink and jump into a race. Thought that you were making a bracket for the first tournament. Oh, no, it's for the light bar that used to be sitting up there. And was being held up by gaffer tape, which is super lame. Should we try? No, let's not try the slicer. Actually, that... Yeah, see, like, that's moving just fine. What is going on with Fusion? Let's try Fusion again. I wanted to be printing while I was doing this other crap. Because printing takes a long time. Nope, still slow as molasses. Fuck. So every time I start this endeavor, I get to this point where I'm like, okay, let's start moving all of my behavior, all of my stream stuff from the old way of doing it to the new. And I always get to the same place where I just don't want to. Gaffer tape is some of the worst shit to try to get off your skin. We were very dumb in college. If you get crappy gaffer tape, that's true, but if you get the expensive, nice stuff, it doesn't stick to you. It's great. No residue. Now, duct tape, on the other hand, that is not good. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this right now. How long have we been going? 50 minutes? Yeah, alright, well, I think I'm actually gonna call it. I'm gonna try to troubleshoot some of this crap and make it so that next time we can actually stream what I wanted to stream. But never try to smuggle herbal essence with you on your college trip to Mexico with gaffer tape. You'll pay the price. I'll take that into consideration. I think it's probably a bad idea to gaffer tape anything to you as you're trying to cross borders. Alrighty. Well, this was fun. Thanks for stopping by to hang out, Dice, and Hotel Towel, and Mr. Hardluck. I might stream tomorrow. Do something. I don't know. Especially since it is so readily available. Yeah. I appreciate you stopping by. Alright, I'm gonna go try to figure out what the hell is going on and also reboot my machine because it's been up forever. Maybe that's